Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying power and source levels because a weak battery or muted app is the most common culprit. Check that your headphones show charge or are plugged in and wake them if needed. Next, open the device volume mixer and app audio settings to confirm output levels and correct device selection. While you listen, gently wiggle the connector and adapter to detect intermittent contact. Once done, you'll know whether this is a power/selection issue or something needing deeper adjustment. Now you fine-tune gain, equalization, and drivers because perceived low audio often comes from wrong signal chain settings. Increase software gain slowly, add 3 to 6 decibels at a time, and keep an ear out for distortion. Then, adjust EQ to enhance mids and reduce overpowering bass, which can mask clarity. Make sure your audio drivers or headphone firmware are current. Reinstall if necessary. Finally, swap cables or try the headphones on another phone or computer. To complete the fix, address hardware and impedance mismatches that software can't solve. Carefully clean connector and jack contacts with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush, then let everything dry. Poor contact lowers volume. If drivers or earpads are damaged, replace them, or use a portable headphone amplifier when the source can't drive low-impedance headphones properly. If nothing improves, perform a factory reset, and as a troubleshooting tip, record and compare test tones on 2 devices so support can reproduce the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.